How to restore or reinstall an app from an archive on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on Apps. Now, in the list of available apps, go down and browse for the app that you would like to restore. So here I have recently archived the Messages app. So I'm going to go down and tap on Messages and then tap on the Restore button here. And now it is restoring messages. And that is how you can restore an app from an archive. And that's it. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.